Hi there, I'm Jwlzi. In this video we will be making a leather cover for the 7-inch Kindle. Use Adobe Reader to print the pattern, making sure to select actual size. Verify the sizing of the printout against the measuring blocks. Cut out the paper pattern pieces. Some pieces have a 1 and a 2 in the numbering, for example A1, A2. Join these pieces together with masking tape by aligning the X's. Lay the pattern pieces A, B and C on the leather and affix to the leather with masking tape, ensuring that all edges and stitching holes are covered. Cut the leather roughly 1 cm or 0.4 inches outside the edges of the pattern pieces. Punch all the stitching holes. Cut the insert D from cardboard or other firm material. Transfer the positions of all the marks, indicated by arrows, from the pattern pieces to the back of the leather. Each mark occurs twice. Also transfer the position of the dotted lines on the window panel. First cut out the window in the window panel B and the slit in the left panel C. Then cut out all the pieces on their outside lines. If the leather requires, burnish or paint the edges, specifically the edges of the window opening and the slit in left panel C. The other edges can also be treated after the completion of the project. Wet the dotted line of the window panel B and fold to the back. Lay the back panel A on its back. Then place the left panel C on top of the back panel, ensuring that the 1 and 2 marks align. Place the window panel B also on the back panel, ensuring that the 3 and 4 marks align. Stitch around the outside edges of the back panel. Slip the Kindle behind the window panel. Push until the window aligns with the screen of the Kindle. Fold the flap behind the Kindle. Slip the insert D behind the left panel. Time for the leather treatment as required by the leather used. Your Kindle cover is now completed. Enjoy reading.